Hi guys, today I'm going to take a video of a remote control car. Do you know why is it this way, not this way? Yeah. My sister might have. Usually if I press this way, it'll turn back, so it's this way. Right, let's ready to test it out. I'm gonna ask my sister in a bit. Yep. And then sister, come.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was just looking at a book.
Yeah.
Are you ready to turn on it?
Hey.
I know it can move because I know how to do it. But I'm not older enough to do it. Want to go to the computer part?
It's gonna crash you.
Oh.
Crash. It crashed you.
Yeah, we have another remote control car, but we put it in our Star Lego because that Star Lego is called Advent Calendar. It's not a remote.
It's Lego Star Wars.
And that door could open, the engine could open, and the whole trunk could open.
Yeah. Let's test it out.
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot something. Here's something. Do you know if you spin this, like if you spin this thing to here, then it will, if you make it go straight, it'll go left.
Right. You want to try it?
No.
Okay.
Let's not try it. This is a little fun.
Yeah, it's a little fun, guys. We didn't even say hi, guys. I didn't even say hi, guys. Hi, guys.
I just say hi, guys. Isn't it,
Can
guys?
I try?
No, you're young.
I just know how to do it.
Whoa.
But remember a Let It Flow song?
I made that video. Oh, we don't care about that.
But now we don't really remember.
We don't have over 100 videos. Oh, we're gonna have him on this.
Rex.
Remember
Yeah, but we're gonna play in our Star Lego. We have a Frozen Lego.
what's the... Oh, yeah. You wanna crash into you?
But I got this car my brother got from the birthday.
We're gonna crash you.
Remember to subscribe this video. Pick the thumbs up. Don't pick the thumbs down one. Okay.
Yeah.
And also subscribe it up. And to my channel.
Bye-bye. See you later.
Bye.
Oh, bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
See you
next
time.
Bye. Bye-bye. I'll crash you. Crash.